everyone, Namaste, greetings of the day. I am Advika Singh Ranwood from St. Thomas Senior Secondary School. The St. Thomas team is highly elated to share the school's news bulletin. It is the continued part of our school's newsletter of the October edition.
To begin with, on 1st November 2025, we proudly celebrated MP Foundation Day. Let's see the report.
अतुल्य भारत का हृदय, सांची की शांति, रचनाओं की शिल्पकारी और उज्जैन की महाकाल की पावन भूमि, मध्य प्रदेश का 70वां स्थापना दिवस 1 नवंबर को हमारे विद्यालय में मनाया गया। हमें हमारे प्रदेश के बारे में जानकारी दी गई। वह दिन जब 1956 में मध्य प्रांत, मध्य भारत, मध्य प्रदेश और भोपाल को मिलाकर हमारे प्रदेश का गठन हुआ था। आज हम एक नए विकसित और आत्मविश्वासी मध्य प्रदेश का उत्सव मना रहे हैं। आइए हम सब मिलकर प्रतिज्ञा करें कि हम अपने प्रदेश को और अधिक उन्नत, स्वच्छ और विकसित बनाएंगे। भारत का हृदय मध्य प्रदेश। जय हिंद, जय मध्य प्रदेश। मैं जयश्री शर्मा, कक्षा 5वीं। धन्यवाद।
Children's Day is the day for which all children are excited. This year also, St. Thomasians rejoiced the day in a fantastic way. Let's see the report from Bhavya Dalwani.
दिनांक 14 नवंबर 2025 को हमारे विद्यालय में बाल दिवस हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाया गया। कार्यक्रम का आयोजन शिक्षकों द्वारा किया गया। इस अवसर पर शिक्षकों ने प्रातःकालीन प्रार्थना की। इसके पश्चात प्रेरणादायक पॉडकास्ट, स्किट एवं गीतों की मधुर प्रस्तुति की गई। जूनियर सेक्शन के विद्यार्थी द्वारा प्रस्तुत नृत्य कार्यक्रम सभी के लिए आकर्षण का केंद्र रहा। सीनियर सेक्शन के संचालक मूलचंदानी जो चाचा नरेंद्र बने थे। इन्होंने बाल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में सभी विद्यार्थियों को संदेश दिया। अंत में प्रधानाचार्य द्वारा सभी विद्यार्थियों को शुभ संदेश दिया गया। कार्यक्रम आनंदमय वातावरण से सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुआ। मैं भाव्या डालवानी, कक्षा 6वीं। धन्यवाद।
To improve the speaking skills and give a stage to exchange ideas and views, a debate competition was organized for classes 9th and 10th. Here is the detailed look of the event from Tanishq Goyal.
Does excessive screen time affect intelligence of today's youth? Has technology started thinking for us instead of us thinking for ourselves? These questions took center stage as our school organized a debate competition for students of classes 9th and 10th on Saturday, 1st November 2025, with aim of nurturing leadership, critical thinking and confidence. The topic, More Screen, Less Life, is this reality of today's youth? Sparked intense curiosity and interest students to examine a highly relevant and thought-provoking issue. With hundreds of talented students auditioning, it became a real challenge for teachers to shortlist finalists. After 3 rigorous rounds of auditions, a final team of 18 students was selected and divided into 2 teams. Each participant was given a time, 1 to 2 minutes to present their viewpoints, followed by a well-guided narrative run. The ideas clashed, opinions evolved, and perspectives widened. As debates unfolded, one thing became clear. Debate is not just about winning arguments, but refining ideas.
On 26 January, Republic Day was celebrated in a full swing and patriotism. This is the day that commemorates our Constitution, our great leaders, as well as our duties and responsibilities.
We celebrated Republic Day at our school with great joy and patriotism, and we also joined the program held at the college ground. There, we won the first prize in the prestigious dance competition, adding a golden chapter to the legacy of St. Thomas. The dance there presented a vibrant portrayal of Madhya Pradesh culture richness. The performance highlighted the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters, the historic contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in framing the Constitution, the strength agriculture of MP and the grandeur of Raja Bhoj, the perfectly synchronized national flag formation, and the powerful representation of great personalities emerged as the show stealers. At our school, the program opened with a disciplined welcome and band display, followed by flag unfurling, national anthem, and pledge, setting a patriotic tone. Energetic dances, confident student speeches, a thrilling patriotism on stage, melodious group songs, pre-primary performance kept the audience engaged throughout. With dignified words, with inspiring words, a dignified conclusion was given.
To say sayonara and give best wishes to our outgoing batch of class 12, a farewell program was arranged. Let's have a look.
school is a place where we come with tears and again go away with tears. Am I right? On 17th January 2026, a grand farewell ceremony was organized in the Assembly Hall of St. Thomas School with an inspiring theme, Believe, Begin, Become, which means believe in yourself, begin with courage, and you will become the person you once dreamed of. The program was commenced with a graceful welcome dance performed by the students of class 7th. The students were glowing in vibrant and cheerful outfits, which added charm to the occasion. The event was made special by the inspiring speeches from the school manager, Reverend Father Johnson, and a senior teacher, Mr. Vishwanathan. As a student representative, Aditya Raj Singh shared heartfelt memories of the school journey. As a token of love and affection, the school presented a memorable gift to the entire batch. And to preserve the memories of the entire batch, a panoramic photo session was done. With this, signing off, Zubeen Khanam.
Achievements must be appreciated as it gives motivation, so an award ceremony was organized to give recognition to the students' academics, extracurriculars, and sports excellence.
On Saturday, 31st January 2026, the school corridors echoed with a triumphant chorus as we gathered for our annual award ceremony, proving truly that hard work hits the high notes. The morning unfolded with a graceful opening dance, a fluid symphony of movements that set a serene stage for the honors to follow. Under the esteemed guidance of Reverend Father Johnson and Sister Abaya, we celebrated more than just academic milestones. We honored the silent grit, the flickering midnight oil, and the unwavering discipline that forced the soul of a scholar. In a touching tribute to parents it takes to raise a child, meritorious students from every grade ascended the stage flanked by their proud parents, creating a tableau of shared success. While the academic and sports awards recognized the dual balance of mind and body, the atmosphere was further excited by a spirited dance to the rhythmic beats of Duranda, a performance that infused the hall with raw energy. Reverend Father Johnson's concluding address served as a compass for the future, urging us to view excellence not as a destination but as a lifelong pursuit. This day was a testament to the heights reachable when passion meets perseverance. Signing off, Danish Pathan.
Mens sana in corpore sano means a healthy mind in a healthy body. Sports keeps us fit and fine. Now let's have some sports news from.
Let's have a look at the outstanding achievements of our students in national and state level competitions. National level achievements. Nidhi Medatwal in class 10th showcased her incredible talent at SGFI National Volleyball Championship held in Bareilly, UP. Also, Dehi Sharma and Drashti Sharma of class 9th proudly represented in CBSE National Roller Skating Championship held in Gurugram, Haryana. Sarana Rathore and Lakshya Sakhwaya of class 9th and Yashasvi Sharma and Niyati Badolia of class 7th participated in National Hockey Championship held in Gwalior and Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Let's have a look at state level participations in Khelo MP. Hiru Shawari, class 11, participated in Khelo MP State Football Championship held in Rewa, MP. Vidakshi Trivedi of class 9 participated in Khelo MP State Taekwondo Championship held in Bhopal, MP. Let's hear some team achievements. St. Thomas School won the Under-12 Inter-School Hockey Tournament, showcasing exceptional teamwork and sportsmanship. Let's hear the news. 17 students went to National Adventure Camp in Panchmani and won gold medal in overall activity. Naman Vyas and Chandrasekhar Pratap Singh attended the National NCC Trekking Camp held in Bagratun, Jharkhand. Suhani Rajura got the Best Cadet Award of Indore Group. That's all for now. Signing off, Samit.
St. Thomas is always keen to uphold the enthusiasm of students. So, on 8 November, Brain Battle, a quiz competition was held for students of classes 6 to 8. Here is a report by Muskan and Ahana.
Good morning. Good morning. Do you know what happened last November?
Yes, on 8 November, our school witnessed the inspiring celebration of English as it hosted a quiz competition for students of class 6 to 8.
The truly sounds prestigious, but what was the purpose of organizing the event?
The competition was envisioned to encourage academic awareness and sharpen analytical thinking skills among the students.
Yes, I've also heard that the competition but encouraging teamwork and a spirit of healthy competition, isn't it?
Yes.
How was the competition conducted?
The students from standard 6 to 8 were moving 4 teams each with different romantic participants. The teams were named as Prithvi, Agni, Akash, and Rishika.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What are these names on it?
The reason behind this is these are the names of individual developers of business sciences created by DRDO, that is, Defense Research and Development Organization.
Yes, like on the side, spirit of the participants were high and strong. The quiz progressed to 4 thoughtful design round. Each testing knowledge, patience, and presence of mind.
Creating an atmosphere of excitement and keeping the audience engaged.
I can imagine the enthusiasm in them.
Yes, after a series of simulated rounds, it was finally time of most awaited announcement. That was the results.
With an outstanding display of confidence and courage, Team Agni was the champion, scoring an impressive score of 140 points. And Prithvi earned the runner-up position with commendable contribution points.
So, in a nutshell, the quiz was far more than just competition, right?
Yes, it was a celebration where knowledge reigns supreme and talent shone brightly. So with this, we are Hannah Stan signing off. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Signing off, Advika.
That's all for now. This is Arnavi Nair signing off.